Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Xfinity Bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open your default browser and search Xfinity Bank Login. Once you make search, you'll find sign in to Xfinity. Under Xfinity Bank, just click here. You'll be redirected to the login portal where you simply have to enter your credentials. That includes your email, mobile or username and your password. First, enter the email, mobile or username and click let's go. After that, hit your password and click continue and you'll be logged in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.